Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button if you find this helpful. All the links mentioned in this overview are available in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using the platform. Today, we're diving into Schwab Intelligent Portfolios, accessible at https://intelligent.schwab.com. This digital platform offers automated investing, aiming to simplify portfolio management for individuals. It crafts a diversified portfolio aligned with your risk tolerance and financial goals. The process begins by assessing your investment preferences through a questionnaire covering your time horizon, risk appetite, and financial objectives. Using this information, Schwab Intelligent Portfolios constructs a portfolio encompassing a range of asset classes, including stocks, bonds, and ETFs, potentially including real estate and commodities depending on your specific profile. One of the key features of Schwab Intelligent Portfolios is its automated rebalancing. This means the platform continuously monitors and adjusts your portfolio to maintain your target asset allocation. As market conditions fluctuate and your investments perform differently, the system automatically buys or sells assets to keep your portfolio aligned with your initial strategy. This ongoing rebalancing helps manage risk and ensures your investments stay on track. Furthermore, the platform offers tax loss harvesting, a strategy designed to minimize your tax burden by selling losing investments to offset gains. This can potentially improve your overall returns. Schwab Intelligent Portfolios also provides access to financial consultants for additional support and guidance. While the platform is largely automated, you have the option to connect with a professional who can answer your questions and provide personalized advice. This combination of automated investing and access to human expertise can be a valuable resource, especially for those who are new to investing or prefer some level of personal interaction. Keep in mind that while the platform is designed to be cost-effective, there may be underlying expense ratios associated with the ETFs held within your portfolio. These fees are important to consider when evaluating the overall cost of using Schwab Intelligent Portfolios. Be sure to explore the fee structure and understand all associated costs before making a decision.